like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across a burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember.
So hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So this is a short mini vlog. Hope you enjoy and like, share. The year I kind of decided to have intentional living, going to the gym. So a girl is trying to get thick. Also I started going out more. So this is a mini vlog of me, the first weekend out I had with my friends when I moved to KITALE. So I hope you enjoy the video and subscribe for more. So in this video we had gone to the KITALE National Reserve. It was a great experience, great views with friends. Yeah, we had some boat riding. It was fun. We competed, yeah, and we also saw some animals, the lions. It was a fun experience. I hope most of you can get to hop on it. Yeah, the lions looked kind of cute. You can see that one yawning, and they kind of look big in real life. Yeah, so it was kind of scary. That's why we were glad at least there were cages. And we also saw some mean-looking monkeys. Some were a bit scary and hostile, but this one was just like, nah, I don't mind. Was the coolest part about the whole outdoor activity. We got to see llamas. Yeah, first time seeing one, and they just look like, I don't know, normal, I guess. Seemed like goats to me anyway, but they looked cool. It was the first time seeing them, so I was excited for the highlight of the day was this monkey. It scared me. Just look at how it jumped at me. Well, they look kind of beautiful, and yeah, they looked amazing anyway. So yeah, we enjoyed the view. And the crocodiles, wow, seemed intimidating and still that mysterious aura around them. Anyway, it's animals. We got to have an up close view, kind of scary, but yeah. Ended the day with some snacks, some yogurt and meat bread. It was meat bread, I guess. Yeah, it was nice, yeah. And that's how we ended the day. Had fun. Hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more. Thank you.